peace prize. Are you filming me right now?
Yep.
Alright. What we have is the actual cure, none of the wives' tales, blah, 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 blah. I still have the hiccups, I'm upside down, and I have a headache. This is a real way to solve the hiccups. What you do, take a drink. I prefer cans, but I'll have the bottle. And you're going to take a small amount right at the tip of your mouth, and you're going to want to swallow very small amounts 10 times as fast as you can. I guarantee 100% your hiccups will be gone. If you have any problems or if you have a complaint, then call somebody who cares, but I guarantee you it's going to work. I'm Seth Living Good. This is the cure for the hiccups, the real cure.